Menteri Badai Kimi yang tengah kamrep kesor ka jela ba bantai dorling do ulai thu balam mang tengka pantiet ruspa lai pu artli ki powatila house nam arjar puai ban nak bentaus nam arjar pu aru on mang hi kat ju katan ruspa lai pu artli ki powatila banyarap iki nongrep haba juba ba kenta kli jingkli ha ka sibalai ka dorbar mang tengka ka yeng dorbar tho ai ka jela miklia ha ka pratrik luber arajar arpuar na ka jingkli unong tho ai ka all india trinamool congress ba hm sangpliang na mosen ram uba banti dor lai thu ba tang sau tu lipat la ai sa ram blok ha padang usnam arjar kat pra arjar arpuai haba kli ban ram ba banti dor lu ong ba yaki powati la ai ha ka dor subsidi ha ka ba la dau nongrep uthiet e ka powati la ba song dor arlak arpo hajar tengka ka subsidi kan long khandai po hajar ba ek basa nakate arlak arpo hajar on hapan siu do nongrep.
Four numbers of portillers has been provided to the farmers on the Mountain Ground block from the year 2018 till 2021. B. The government will be assisting eligible local farmer on the Mountain Ground block with the portillers.
All speakers, sir. May I know from the Honourable Minister in charge of Agriculture as to how many power tillers have been purchased by the government from 2018 to 2021, sir?
So, for that I require notice, sir.
Sir, I can understand, sir, there is a substantial amount of money that has been earmarked under various schemes of the central government as well as the state government in purchase of power tillers to assist the farmers in cultivation. Going by the records, sir, I can understand that a lot of power tillers have been distributed throughout the state in various blocks. But I'm slightly disappointed that in the last 4 years, I think only 4 power tillers have been provided to only 4 farmers in the Mausanram block, sir. Nevertheless, in the answer B, the Honourable Minister has assured that the government will be assisting eligible local farmers under the Mausanram block with the power tillers. So I look forward to the commitment of the Honourable Minister that during this present year, he would be considering more power tillers to the farmers under the Mausanram block. Sir, my second question is, I would like to know how are these power tillers distributed? What are the criteria and how are they given to the farmers?
So, the power tiller we are distributed on basis of recommendation from the block respective, from the DEO office of respective of the block in every district. So the ADO of the block, they have to verify the requirement of the farmers and send to the directorate for implementation of the scheme.
So I would like to know whether these power tillers are given free of cost to the farmers.
No, sir, it's a subsidy, sir, basis.
So what is the percentage, sir, that is given to these farmers?
Sir, if the cost of the power tiller is, 2 lakhs 20 something, and the subsidy we are giving 90,000.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is very important program because 80% of the populations are farmer or around 60% of the total population, they are depending on cultivation of rice. So may I know from the Honourable Minister whether the same program to provide power tiller to the farmers on subsidized rate is being continued, and if so, whether this year also it will be made available.
Yes, sir. It's continued.
So, if that is the case, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, how many power tillers will be provided for the entire state, for the farmers?
Sir, for the 2021, sir, we are already sanctioned 632 numbers of power tillers across the states.
What about the current financial year, 21-22?
The current financial year, sir, is 632.
Same.
Balasros.
To Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister in Charge of Agriculture, how many power tillers has been distributed to South Governors from 2018 to 2021, number one. And number two, we are asking the criteria, that means relevant documents, what are the requirements for the relevant documents?
One supplementary question at a time. Please put one supplementary
Okay.
question.
How many power tillers has been distributed in South Governors from 2018 to 2021? May I know from the Honorable Minister?
East Garo Hills, huh?
South Governors.
South Garo Hills. From 2018-19, it's 54. 2019-20, 125. Altogether, 148 number of power tillers for South Garo Hills.
And that also I'm asking up to the Honorable to Speaker, sir, that what are the relevant documents, that requirement to apply for that subsidy?
So, for the applicant for the farmers, they should be farmers, and at the same time also, it should have the land for the cultivation not less than 2 acres to justify the need for giving the power tillers for the farmers. So the documents should be residential of the particular area. At the same time also it should be a farmers to identify them, it should be from the district agricultural office.